Hey superstar, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mariam Kapama. If you are a returning supporter, a regular watcher, a day one subscriber, thank you very much for tuning in. And if you're newish, welcome and thank you for tuning in as well. Please be sure to click the subscribe button so you get notified every time I do an upload, and be sure to smash the bell notification so you get notified and be the first one to receive my videos. So we're gonna need fresh okras, and you're going to begin by washing them like so. Okra is packed with a lot of minerals when it comes to properties that are very good for hair growth. It's packed with vitamin A, B, C, K, potassium, calcium, zinc, iron, and the list is super long, believe it. So here we're done chopping the okras into tiny pieces for easy silk, but here's a disclaimer. If you want the okra juice to be very slippery, very jelly, you can go ahead and grind these okras or blend them so you have a thicker consistency like juice at the end. But for now, I'm just going to go ahead and use this the way it is. I'm going ahead to boil it. Then the water starts to boil. Make sure it is in medium-high heat. So this okra do not get to boil too much, because you don't want to burn all the nutrients. You want to have them in your hair. So you're only going to leave the okra to boil in medium heat, and you're basically going to leave it. So when it comes to okra, properties really nice when it comes to softening of the hair, when making it very manageable because of its slippery nature, makes it very easy to manage, and also it makes hair strands very strong, so less shedding, and more, it awakens sleeping follicles of the hair in the scalp, so makes the hair grow very fast, like a lot of hair growth you're going to notice while using this juice. Best way to use it, you can use it in so many ways. You can use it as a detangler, you can use it as a deep conditioner, you can use it as a curly activator, you can use it as a gel, and when I say gel, I mean edge included. So what else would you wish for, man? It's a whole package, just the way you tune it, how to use it. But bottom line is, dipping is really beneficial. Form like that, and at this point you're really done boiling it. You see, you don't want it to boil so much, because we still need those nutrients half alive for our hair growth. And also next thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to swifter it and let it cool. Then I'm going to add it to my spray bottle. However, this is really good at reducing dandruff. Also, it's really very nice moisturizer, so it's going to get rid of the dryness of the hair and the frizzy. Also, it's really nice. Let me just go ahead and swifter it and remove. Okay, smash the like button if you see you got value, because this thing is cheap. I hook you with cheap stuffs, man, but very powerful. So smash the like button for your girl, and if you haven't subscribed already, please press the subscribe button for me so you don't miss any content from me. So here we are ready to, it has already cooled. As you can see, it even started to form some icy, but it's all right. I swifted it, so as I said, it really does not come out easily or nicely. So I'm going to use this regular bottle. Let me place it here with this kind of top. If I could get a better top, it could be better, but with this, it will help me prevent it from pouring all over. See, my hair was in a different style, so I'm refreshing it there with some liquid from my spray bottle that I'm also linking it here. So be sure to watch these videos, because they're super powerful and they're really good at restoring moisture. As I'm parting, I'm starting by adding oil in my scalp, And adding oil to your scalp is really going to help you with providing hair with shine and avoid dry scalp. Also, this oil that easily without breaking the hair. For you to achieve or to attain any hair length, you have to retain, you have to know how to retain the length, and you only retain the length when you don't break your hair. So the goal here is not to break your hair, but to retain the length. As you can see, I'm also adding the okra gel, making sure it's saturated, adding more to it. It's very slippery, believe it, and it's really good because it softens the hair and provides shine and make it very manageable. Look at just how the shrinkage is just going away as the second application. You see, it can get really messy, so you be sure to use a bottle, because if you're just going to use free hands, you're going to have okra all over yourself. So as I'm doing it, you see now, that's what I'm talking about. You're going to have okra all over if you don't use a bottle. So making sure every single strand is coated, nothing is left behind. We detangle it, we comb it, making sure no strand is left behind. So and it's fun, believe me. When you're doing your own hair, you get to feel the silkiness, you get to feel the volume, you get to feel the curly pattern, because this okra gel, as I said earlier, acts as a curly activator. So as you can see, my hair is popping out, those curls are coming out to play, and it's really fun. You can just do, it's so satisfying. You can just do that and do that over and over again. You see the curly pattern, the ones I'm talking about, they're really popping, and they're doing great. So I'm going to coat a layer of oil just to seal in the moisture before I go ahead to do the single twist strand in order to attain the bantu knot. Thank you very much for watching this video to the very end. I'm so appreciative for all the love you're showing in the comments. Be sure to smash the like button and to follow me on all my social media accounts. Until next time, I'm going to see you guys in either one of these